Understanding U.S. real estate law is crucial for anyone looking to buy, sell, or invest in property. It's a complex field with its own language and rules. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time homebuyer, knowing the basics can save you from costly mistakes. This knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions and protect your interests. Don't go into a real estate deal blindly. Arm yourself with the legal know-how to navigate the process confidently. Think of it like this. You wouldn't jump into the Shark Tank without doing your research, right? Real estate is no different. You need to understand the playing field, the players, and the rules of the game. That's where understanding real estate law comes in. Knowing your rights and obligations can make all the difference in a smooth transaction. It can be the difference between securing your dream home at a fair price or falling prey to unethical practices. Take it from someone who's seen it all in the business world. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to real estate. Two important laws you should know are the Fair Housing Act and the Real Estate Settlement Procedures Act, or RESPA. The Fair Housing Act prevents discrimination based on race, color, religion, national origin, sex, disability, and familial status. This means everyone has an equal opportunity to rent or buy a home. RESPA, on the other hand, protects you from hidden fees and unfair practices during the closing process. It requires lenders to provide clear disclosures about all closing costs. For example, imagine a family being denied housing because of their ethnicity. That's a clear violation of the Fair Housing Act. Or picture being hit with unexpected closing costs that weren't disclosed up front. RESPA is there to prevent such situations and ensure transparency in real estate transactions. These laws are in place to protect you, the consumer. They ensure fairness and transparency in the often complicated world of real estate. Understanding these laws can help you identify any red flags and avoid being taken advantage of. Remember, knowledge is your best defense against unethical practices. Realtors play a crucial role in real estate transactions, but their fees and practices have come under scrutiny in recent years. Traditionally, realtor fees are a percentage of the sale price, typically split between the buyer's and seller's agents. However, there's growing pressure for more transparency and potentially lower fees, especially with the rise of online platforms. Some argue that the traditional commission structure is outdated and doesn't always reflect the work involved. This has led to discussions about alternative fee structures such as flat fees or hourly rates. The goal is to make real estate transactions more affordable and transparent for consumers. Recent legal changes have also focused on increasing transparency in realtor practices. For instance, some states have implemented rules requiring realtors to disclose any conflicts of interest, such as representing both the buyer and seller in a transaction. These changes aim to protect consumers and ensure they receive fair and ethical representation from their real estate agents. When it comes to financing a property, understanding mortgage laws is essential. The Truth in Lending Act, or TILA, requires lenders to disclose all loan terms clearly, including the interest rate, monthly payments, and total finance charges. The Equal Credit Opportunity Act, or ECOA, prohibits discrimination in lending based on protected characteristics. These laws empower borrowers to make informed decisions and prevent discriminatory lending practices. For example, TILA ensures that you know exactly what you're signing up for when you take out a mortgage, while ECOA prevents lenders from denying you a loan based on your race, religion, or other protected factors. Commercial real estate transactions involving properties used for business purposes operate under a different set of rules. The Uniform Commercial Code, or UCC, governs these transactions, providing a standardized framework for contracts, leases, and financing. Understanding the UCC is crucial for anyone involved in buying, selling, or leasing commercial property. In essence, whether you're buying your first home or investing in a commercial building, understanding the legal landscape is paramount. Real estate law is complex but crucial for protecting your interests. Don't be afraid to ask questions, seek professional advice when needed, and always remember, in the world of real estate, knowledge is your most valuable asset.